no dead though.
No, I cannot see any dead.
I can see some bees on the ground, but they're not dead. They're just walking around.
Yeah, that's right. They are absolutely everywhere.
A lot of them are chilling and that too now. It'd be crazy if we could see one that's bigger than the rest. And you would nearly think that's the queen. You want to save this little guy that's in this puddle of water over here, Dom?
Yeah.
On the hive? See, he's upside down.
Let's just zoom back out again. Alrighty, little fella. Okay, can we go? There we go. One life saved.
They all can.
They all can, exactly. Well, there is a lot resting.
A lot are resting. But they don't seem aggressive at all to one another.
And when I zoomed in on the entryway, no one's actually getting
There's a couple of
in.
guards at the entrance, but
Yeah, but no one's getting
no one's
in.
going in, they're only coming out.
Oh,
no,
one just went in then.
That one went in. There's a few guards waiting at the entrance, but they don't seem in distress.
No, they don't. So what is going on? Are they fighting? Hang on.
No, they're not done. There's no dead on the ground.
Yeah, no. They're like meeting each other or
Yeah,
something.
they are talking to one another. They are going up to one another, but they aren't aggressively.
Can you see all those three there?
They're not aggressively going up to one another,
Yeah, no.
are they?
It's just on that one. There's like three guys. Is
yeah.
it dead?
That
or...
could be a new queen. I don't know. I don't know how to tell the difference or what, but
Me neither.
I'd imagine one's slightly larger.
Oh, it just got away then.
It's non-aggressive.
See what's going on there.
Non-aggressive.
Is that humping?
They're just talking to one another and stuff.
Well, that one's on top of that one. See? Can you see that?
Yeah. You see the males, see the ones on the fence, yeah?
Yeah,
What's
hang
the
on.
one?
I just want to keep filming this to see what happens.
Oh yeah, that's odd.
You can see what I'm watching now?
Mm-hmm.
Is that mating?
I don't know.
Not that she looks exceptionally big.
Something happened.
See? No one fought, like no one
Something
died.
happened.
Okay, so where... Oh, there.
Yeah,
Can you see them all?
See the fence?
They're all just sitting along the fence.
Yeah, and they aren't as active. They're not
Are
talking
they
to
males?
They're not, exactly, they're not talking to each other the same way the other ones are.
Yeah. So mysterious.
But it doesn't seem aggressive, which is the main thing.
No. And we do have a spare hive there if they decide there's too many of them.
It seems social.
It does. Every other video has got like a mound of dead. And there's literally nothing there.
No, it's not aggressive. It's not an aggressive swarm.
Mm.